In the camera world, some cameras excel at specific things, like portraits or sports, but the Panasonic Lumix G9 II is different. It's like a Swiss Army knife, tackling various photography styles with ease. So what makes this camera such a versatile all-rounder? Let's dive in and see why it's called a jack of all trades. The Panasonic Lumix G9 II is a mirrorless marvel that truly embodies the essence of a jack of all trades. With its powerful 25.2 megapixel Live MOS Micro Four Thirds sensor and updated processor, it delivers exceptional image quality, rich tonal gradations, and excellent color reproduction. This camera is engineered to cater to the diverse needs of content creators seeking both outstanding stills performance and sophisticated video capabilities.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes TenStudio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with TenStudio today.
One of the standout features is the G9 II's remarkable video recording prowess. It supports C4K or 4K at 60p 10-bit, making it a highly capable video camera. For those who desire to create high-resolution slow-motion footage, the camera also supports 120p video capture with 10-bit color. This versatility allows you to explore a wide range of creative possibilities, whether you're shooting cinematic narratives or capturing fast-paced action sequences. But the G9 II's capabilities extend beyond just video. It boasts a handheld high-res mode that compiles multiple exposures to create a single 100-megapixel RAW or JPEG file, enabling you to capture stunning high-resolution stills with incredible detail and sharpness. This feature alone sets it apart as a formidable stills camera, catering to the demands of landscape and architectural photographers who crave every pixel of resolution. One of the most significant additions to the G9 II is its phase hybrid autofocus system, a first for Lumix G series cameras. With 779 phase detection points, it delivers fast and precise autofocusing performance, ensuring that your subjects remain sharp and in focus even in challenging situations. The AI-powered recognition technology can now recognize cars, motorcycles, and animal eyes, further enhancing the camera's precision in subject recognition. For those who demand uncompromising image stability, the G9 II does not disappoint. It features a 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization system rated at an impressive 8 stops, complemented by the dual IS2 technology that combines the camera's stabilization with lens-based stabilization. This powerful combination effectively compensates for a broader range of movements, rendering sharper and clearer imagery, even when shooting handheld in challenging conditions. When it comes to photographic features, the G9 II doesn't disappoint. It introduces the Leica monochrome photo style, delivering beautiful black and white scenes. The dynamic range boost setting creates a real-time HDR composition with a single exposure, rivaling the image quality of a full-frame camera. Catering to the needs of videographers and filmmakers, it also comes pre-installed with Vlog, capturing a flat, neutral gamma curve and an equivalent of 13+ stops of dynamic range. This provides precise control over color data in post-production and seamless editing with footage shot with VariCam cameras. Additionally, the camera supports external SSD recording via USB, allowing you to record ProRes 422HQ and 4x2x2 10-bit all-intra directly to an SSD, combining portability and high capacity for improved efficiency. Its body design is equally impressive, featuring a high-resolution 3.68 m.OLED EVF with a clear magnification and a smooth 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second changeable refresh rate. The large 3.0-inch 184 m. free-angle touchscreen LCD provides a bright and clear means for live view shooting, playback, and menu navigation. An 8-direction joystick and easy-to-use menu design ensure quick and efficient operation. Then comes its dual UHS 2 SD memory card slots, offer improved flexibility for image storage, allowing you to designate RAW and JPEG files to different cards, save duplicate files, or simply double your storage space with overflow recording. The USB Type-C port enables fast file transferring and in-camera battery charging, while the HDMI Type-A port, 2.5mm remote shutter port, and 3.5mm microphone and headphone jacks cater to advanced video and audio recording needs. It also has a robustly built magnesium alloy body with a dust and splash-resistant design that accommodates working in harsh weather conditions and challenging environments. Bluetooth Low Energy and Wi-Fi connectivity further enhance the camera's versatility, enabling constant connection with smartphones or tablets for remote shooting control, wireless image transfer, and firmware updates. Overall, the Panasonic Lumix G9 II is a true jack of all trades, excelling in both still and video performance. With its powerful sensor, advanced autofocus capabilities, impressive image stabilization, and a host of professional-level features, it caters to the diverse needs of content creators, photographers, and videographers alike. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, action sequences, or cinematic narratives, the G9 II provides the tools and flexibility to bring your vision to life with outstanding quality and versatility. So, that's all about the Panasonic Lumix G9 II. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.